بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum students of class 2. Welcome to Darayakam School, Ikmadan Campus Travel Pindi. I hope you all are fine at your homes. I'm your English teacher here to teach you English. So all of you take up your English word book. Open your planner then. Okay, this is week number 1 and your planner. You have to mention period number 1 and 2 here and date over here. It's 29th March. 29th March. So after mentioning period number and date, you are going to move on the topic, which is textbook reading, The Great Race, book page number 11-12. Model reading by the teacher plus explanation. Students will do reading and retell a story plus learn to read one book on book page number 30. So all of you, first of all, open your textbook, page number 11 and 12. We are going to read the chapter, The Great Race. Okay, this is the page number 11, your textbook, The Great Race, chapter number 1. We are going to read this page. You have to mention date and day on the top of the page. So let's start your reading. Okay, we are going to start the reading. Put finger on the first letter. A bicycle and a motorcycle have a race. The motorcycle starts off with a lot of noise. As we all know that motorcycle starts off with a lot of noise. बहुत ज़्यादा शोर होता है, ठीक है? The pedal says crank, crank. The engine goes vroom, vroom. There's a lot of smoke. It moves off with a roar. It races down the road. In this chapter, we are seeing that there is a race between bicycle and a motorcycle. Now, they are telling us some good and bad points of these. For example, motorcycle, it starts from lot of noise. And आपको पता है कि motorcycle जब हम start करते हैं तो उसका बहुत ज़्यादा उसकी आवाज़ होती है और इसका pedal की आवाज़ क्या होती है, उसकी क्या sound होती है, crank, crank. और इसके engine की आवाज़ कैसी होती है, vroom, vroom. There's a lot of smoke. ये देखें, here you can see the picture. There's a lot of smoke in the air. Halfway it says the next is the bicycle starts off quietly. Bicycle जो है वो बहुत ही quietly start होती है. It moves its pedal and they go up and down. The wheels spin. Wheels उसके घूमते हैं smoothly, बहुत ही smoothly. It starts off down the road behind the motorcycle. Although bicycle की जो race है वो कम है as compared to motorcycle, but क्या है कि bicycle starts very quietly. और इसके पैडल्स जो हैं वो go up and down होते हैं, but उनके wheels जो हैं वो spin बहुत smoothly होते हैं, ठीक है? Halfway it sees the motorcycle by the side of the road. Mr. Policeman standing nearby. एक policeman जो है वो he is standing nearby. Look at the smoke. Now the policeman is saying to motorcycle, look at the smoke. You are making the air dirty. He tells the motorcycle, you are making the air dirty. कि आप जो है वो हमारी हवा को गंदा कर रहे हैं. You can't use the road anymore. You cannot use the motorcycle. You cannot use the road. So motorcycle को policeman ने क्या कहा कि you cannot use the road because you are making the air dirty. The bicycle goes smoothly and quietly to end of the road. All the people clap and cheer, hurrah, for the bicycle. They shout. Now we got that the bicycle won the race because the bicycle was going very smoothly and quietly while the motorcycle starts with a lot of noise and it was making the air dirty. So students, it's very interesting activity, and in reading I'm giving you an activity for this chapter. You have to underline some difficult words and you have to make them change into sentences. Okay, students? So this is your home task. So class 2, this is your English diary that you have to find out the meanings of the following words.